Decided to take the painstaking step of going back through my work, and I think based on my original schematic and not having exactly flushed out the pins in my mind and making some assumptions on the original schematic, I ended up swapping where this end should go and where that end of the 0.005 microfarad should go. We're gonna break out the soldering iron and swap those and go through the rest of the caps and make sure I didn't brain fart. At least this gives me some hope. So, despite my taking careful notes and having the schematic, because I was working in a tight spot and was unfamiliar with working with tube sockets, I must have mistakenly had my notes that this 0.03 microfarad capacitor was actually going to this pin, and I had this 0.005 microfarad capacitor going to this pin. So I was essentially cross-coupling the output of the intermediate frequency stage with the output stage. Now that's not good. Of course, I could be making the same mistake all over again. My viewers told me when I find out my mistake, I'm going to laugh about it and learn a lesson, because we make stupid mistakes. But I'm hopeful this will work. But after my last experience with getting excited, I'm approaching this with caution. So I'm plugged in. I haven't turned this on yet, but we're gonna give it a whirl. Stand back. That sucks. I give up. Let me at least glue this speaker screen back in. Maybe I can do that right. Doubt it. God, I'm depressed. Oh my God, I think I know what I did wrong. I am such a useless engineer. When I cut the neutral legs out of the switch, I think I left a bunch of things connected that go to ground when I rerouted the hot wire to the switch. So I got the hot wire coming into the switch, the hot wire goes back out of the switch, and then it goes to the input rectifier. And where it went to the input rectifier, I left where it used to go to ground. Oh my God, that's like the worst thing you can do as an engineer. I'm lucky I didn't blow up the house. What? I suck. So I just went down and verified many times over. Pin 8 of the output tube, pin 8 of the output amplifier tube was grounded through a 150 kOhm resistor to ground. They used pin 2 of the switch, which was previously connected to ground, as the ground. And when I put the high side, when I moved the switch to the high side, I didn't realize I had to take that out because I figured it was something else. Stupid mistake. Oh my god, I could have killed somebody. So if I just clip the pin 8 output of that tube and then move it to another ground point, I will no longer be coupling what essentially was the input to the rectifier to the output of the radio, which means I was just getting antenna. Ugh.